website, university's knowledge, maybe this article written by some of the student of this institute. So, but full written is not reference by each and every sentence. Okay, that's true, because it is common practice to Wikipedia. There is not wanting to each and every line they want not reference. But if you are adding some controversial issues, controversial statement, or any kind of statement which maybe create controversy over the Wikipedia, over the community, over the society, over the religious. So you have to mention on regarding that point of view, you have to add some reliable reference, okay, verifiable reference basically. No, if the concept or if your knowledge or if anything is new, you must be know where about. It's must be new from the journal, science journal, or like any kind of science journal to newspaper to, if you add newspaper reference is okay, there is no issue. No, actually what is things in the Indian culture, there are most of the things going through the with the speed of mouth, okay, most of the knowledge spread through the mouth. We have no reading heritage in our country. There's a different issue, but in English Wikipedia they are strict for some policy with regarding that reference. If you are write something, you can write your own blogs, you can write your own media, you can write anywhere, but you cannot write your own article on the Wikipedia. See that here is some already reference, which this is a Mumbai host the its Indian current affairs for Times, from the retrieved from Norton Views Online, Down, Reuters. There are all sorts of reference from the others, other than Wikipedia. Other than that, there is no reference from the Wikipedia. There is some external links from the Wikipedia own page, but we are only use the reference as a there is one article regarding the Wiki Conference India. It is already cited on the other than the Wikipedia.
Like this Wikipedia conference or Wikipedia have done something, done someone. Like in our university also, any conference we will be held. I want to upload that one in Wikipedia.
Yes, you can upload your images or you can upload images only, but you can add some more few words on the Wiki about the Wiki Conference India.
No, Wiki Conference not. Like in our university, take as Delhi University. Okay. There should be a new conference. Okay. Upcoming year. Yeah. It is not uploaded in Wikipedia. Okay. So you can upload it.
Yeah. After that, if your conference is coverage any kind of media coverage, if your conference covered by the media, or covered by the local media, or covered by the international media, or well established media, you can write down some words in the Wikipedia regarding your conference, any kind of conference, not the Wiki conference, any kind of conference. That's another project. Wiki News. You can also add this report in Wiki News, not in Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is an online encyclopedia. Your article should be written as an encyclopedic style, not a news toning style. Okay, that is another project. You can see that there is a Wiki News. You can add your news or add here, not Wikipedia. Before you cannot write down any kind of without verifiable, reliable reference, because our policy is you can't write anything without verifiable reference, with reliable reference, because reference is the most of the thing is we can use only reliable, like world standard newspaper. Okay, we can only as a reliable source.
Oh, sorry. Please demonstrate us to how to add a new article, and suppose some other user wants to make changes to my new article. So, is it directly possible, or should the other?
Okay, anyone can edit this article which I have already added, already create this Mumbai. Have you seen that how I add or create one new article? After that, anyone can edit this article, not only me. You can.
How the Wikipedia ensures that the information that is uploaded is correct or not?
Sorry.
How the Wikipedia ensures that the information the other user is uploading into my article is correct or not? Because other users can.
That's why we are saying about the reference, because all about it verifiable, reliable reference. Verifiable means anyone can verify your point, your sentence with the proper reference. Verifiable reference, not only the reference. Amitabh Bachchan is the #1 star. Who said that Amitabh Bachchan is the #1 star? It is a controversial comments. Okay. Yes, sure. Anyone can edit. Anyone can delete others' comments, others' content. Anyone.
So last week there was a colloquium in Ahmedabad, a women writers colloquium. There was media coverage, but very limited. If I want to add to that information, supposing I set up a page in Wikinews, can I cite that as my reference in my Wikipedia article?
Actually, Wikipedia cannot allow as a Wiki News as a reference. Wiki News is not a reliable reference for the Wikipedia. English Wikipedia very strict about the reference point of view. Okay, so Wiki News, you can see the Wiki News, but itself, although Wiki News another project of the Wikimedia Foundation, but Wikipedia is not allow as a use Wiki News as a reference. Okay. Actually, your point is or your question is fine, but our point, your session is not regarding that what is reference, what is not reference, but I want to just show the how we edit the English Wikipedia, how you add, how you contribute, or how you add more points. Okay, here you see the Mumbai topic. It is one of the template already created. You can expand, you can go any kind of article, go to any kind of article. It is Dharavi. Okay, call. It is a Mumbai, place of Mumbai. It is Dharavi. You can add more few words regarding the Dharavi. Already is added. You can add 4 new words: history, resident. It is a city and town topic related template or Mumbai template. I want to just show you the city and topic related template. Go to the category. There are lots of template here. Here it is template Ahmedabad topic, Surat topic, Bangalore topic, Delhi topic. I want to show you just neighborhood of Delhi topic. There is another template. If you edit another, there is a lots of template already created. See, there is Ashok Vihar article which have all not created. It is shown in red. Red means this article should be created in the temp in that Wikipedia. Gitanjali Club, Bank in Club. You can, anyone can, if you come created one in Delhi from anyone from Delhi.
Areas mentioned here are right in Delhi, not neighborhood. For example, New Friends Colony, Patel Nagar.
Okay.
Center of Delhi.
Okay. Then okay. So I just say that Delhi only for Delhi. Oh, that's a Delhi. Please come create one new article for regarding the yes Ashok Vihar. Anyone can create. Anyone can create and expand those articles in Ashok Vihar, Bank and Club, Gitanjali Club. Anyone can. Could you please come? And could you say some few words share with the Ashok Vihar? I can create this article. Ashok Bihar. Because my Hindi typing is not so good. I cannot type well in Hindi. Okay, sorry. Oh, this is not translating. It's your own. There is no machine translator or automatic translator in the Wikipedia.
Okay. No language translation is available. As in Google we have.
Google is not a machine. You have to write down or translate yourself. You cannot translate as a machine translator. You add some English text and convert it to Hindi translation. Then you have to must a manual input on the Google Translator too. When you are using this template as starting with the namespace with template : neighborhood of Delhi, you have to copy this only which you have selected. Okay, and when you are using this template in other article, we have to just copy and paste of this text and use the second parenthesis first and last. Okay. Then now the Ashok Bihar is highlighted with black color, means that this is the main article of this template. If you see view of this article again, because of Ashok Bihar is already created, it will be like yellow, not red. Still you need to create those two articles, neighborhood of Delhi. It's Bank of Enclave, Gitanjali Enclave. Actually, I am not resided in Delhi, so I know anything about those two places. Could you please add some more few words, Ashok Bihar? Anyone from Delhi? Okay. That's why I am saying that Gitanjali Enclave is a geographical place of particular area. So that's a part. Gitanjali Enclave is a colony of southern part of the Delhi. There don't need to any kind of reference for that, only for that statement. Okay, there is a geographical entity of the entire world. You can add any place, well-known place basically. You can find some Gitanjali Enclave's reference from the news too. You copy of this page and go to Google and paste. You can find some reference regarding the Gitanjali expense. You must find reference. You can use those reference on this Wikipedia. Sorry. Ask. See, there is a askalaya.com. It is not a reliable reference for the Wikipedia. Okay. It is the Wikimapia. Okay, that is not still it's reliable. But blog is not a reliable reference for Wikipedia. But you can still use some. Actually, this place is a geographic entity of that Delhi. So no one can charge about there is no Gitanjali Enclave, etc. And no one can. I can see, but it is not good. You can use, but in controversial issue, you cannot use on that particular any kind of blogs. Okay, you can use regarding on that particular article. You can use this as a Gitanjali Enclave.
To collect data about the different sources research scholars may use while collecting data or materials for their research. Major findings. Majority of research scholars were found using Wikipedia. Wikipedia was used in combination with other information resources at the earlier stages of the research. Wikipedia helps research scholars with a summary of a topic, meaning of terms, and also offers a usable interface for the research scholars. Respondents who are likely to use secondary data collection tend to use Wikipedia more than the others. Importance. Research scholars use Wikipedia for a number of reasons. Wikipedia is a clear source of valuable information. for collecting research-related materials. As one research scholar in our session remarked, Wikipedia projects a true picture of the information needed. Respondents for this study answered that they used Wikipedia. It helped them at the earlier stages of research in getting acquainted with the topic. That is about 86%. Some respondents reflected that Wikipedia is an easy-to-use interface. That is about 79%. Some others expressed that it helped them to find the meaning of difficult terms. This is about 77%. This is a map of what I have already sent, a chart, please. Majority of the respondents, that is about 70%, were of the opinion that they were using Wikipedia at the earlier stages of their research. It is found that only very few research scholars were in the habit of using Wikipedia near or at the end of the research process. This is a chart of what I have already said. In conclusion, this study was conducted to find the role of Wikipedia in research and also to study the use of Wikipedia when compared to other sources of information by research scholars. The findings: research scholars tend to use Wikipedia for collecting materials in the beginning stages. Research scholars use Wikipedia with other information sources. In our study, we find that information provided in Wikipedia is dependable as any other source of information available on the internet. Research scholars use Wikipedia fully understanding its limitations as a quick reference source. Future scope of this study: the study will help researchers, educators, and information resource vendors. At times, research scholars will be in urgent need of materials which are essential for the completion of their research. Time being the factor, this is a very critical period. The findings of this study shows that research scholars depend not only on one source for materials, but more than one source, considering dependency of the facts as a criterion. These are the references I have used. I have got a small problem in speaking, that is why my speech may not be clear here and there, for which I am sorry. Anything else? As a matter of fact, I had to tell that information from any source we accept as with a question mark of reliability, because any type of information is getting very fast obsolete, because that is the order of the day. And when I refer the net, I find that in the schools in US, the teachers do not accept references from Wikipedia. They don't encourage. When my daughter, who is studying in the 9th standard, asked me, Papa, may I use Wikipedia for reference? I replied her, if your teacher accepts, you can very well use. And I have found that her teacher is accepting it with a condition that there should not be any cut and paste from the Wikipedia, but you can refer. You use your own words. It is my duty to find whether the information given by you is correct or not. So I will take that